In today's fast-paced digital landscape, marketing is the heartbeat of business success. Hello and welcome to today's video, a beginner's guide to the world of digital marketing. So get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the realm of marketing in the digital age. This is your ultimate beginner's roadmap. Our journey begins with understanding the digital revolution. It's not just a transformation, it's a fundamental shift in how we connect, communicate, and do business. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, owes much of its success to its digital marketing strategies. From personalized recommendations to email marketing, it is a masterclass in the digital world. All right, let's dive into the heart of our discussion. What exactly is digital marketing? Well, you see, digital marketing encompasses various strategies like search engine optimization or SEO, pay-per-click advertising, PPC, social media marketing, email marketing, and even content marketing. And it's the art of reaching and engaging your target audience in the digital space. One of the pillars of digital marketing is SEO, the key to improving your online visibility. Now, studies show that the first 5 results on a search engine results page receive over 67% of clicks. That is the power of SEO. Alongside SEO, paid advertising or PPC is another crucial aspect of digital marketing. Google Ads is a prime example of effective PPC. Businesses bid on keywords to display their ads at the top of search results. It's a cost-effective way to target potential customers. In the age of social media, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are not just for personal use anymore. You see, they're essential for marketing. Burger King's Whopper Detour campaign is a standout example. It encouraged customers to visit McDonald's locations and unlock a 1-cent Whopper deal by using their app. It created quite a buzz, let me tell you, and increased sales. Email marketing, it's a powerful tool for nurturing leads, engaging customers, and driving sales. The American Red Cross used email marketing to connect with donors and encourage blood donations. Their targeted campaigns led to a significant increase in donations. Now, content is at the heart of digital marketing. It's not just about selling, but about providing value to your audience. HubSpot, a leader in inbound marketing, provides valuable content like ebooks, blog posts, and webinars, and they've built a really loyal audience and have converted them into customers. And there you have it, Digital Marketing 101. It's all about understanding the digital revolution, defining digital marketing, exploring SEO, paid advertising, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. So, if you're a beginner in the world of digital marketing, just remember these essentials. They are your stepping stones to mastering the digital landscape. Elevate your sales game with AI precision. Customize your AI agent, engage high-quality leads, and watch your sales soar. Don't miss out on the future of B2B sales. Take the first step. Try B2B Rocket today.